Assalamualaikum dear children. Welcome to the last part of the story. Before getting into the video, remember you hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you don't miss out more stories like this. In last video you see how Satan promised Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to restore the people from his worship and how Satan chose Qabil's side people as his victim. There were the two reasons that the Satan chose to go to Qabil's side people. First of all, he believed that if he go to Sheet alayhi salam's side, he may recognize me because he knew him very well. But the second reason is Qabil's act of killing his brother shows the susceptibility of the mankind to sin. So, due to the Qabil's aggressive nature and anger made him to choose Qabil's side. Now, there was a distinct sign that could seen very clearly. You see, at the Sheet alayhi salam's side, the men were very good looking but women were not. But men from Qabil's side were not good looking but women were good looking. So he disguised in a very handsome man and went to Qabil's side. And he pretended like he had defected from Sheet alayhi salam and he needed a job. They looked at him and decided to give him a job. He worked amongst them very hardly, but he slowly started making sounds the people had never heard before that sounds. It was the beginning of the time when he created a little drum and he beat it and everybody came around him to watch that sound. Then he got a lid of metal and he started hitting them. It also created a sound. Then he made a bugle and started blowing into it. It created a sound also. People became excited and they got so engrossed in it. Then they slowly started forgetting the commands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. On the other side, Sheet alayhi salam kept on reminding his people about what was wrong and what was right and so on. But on the Qabil side, Satan is teaching them how to do evil and how to create evil. After some time, they began to follow him, and when they began to follow him, it created disaster for them. Time came when some of the Sheet alayhi salam were visited by Satan. He created a doubt in their minds that he made them the question the law of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. What is the reason that we are not allowed these cousins of ours? What is the bad of these people that we should not mix in with them? They asked this question to Sheet alayhi salam. He said Qabil had engaged in a crime. Right at the beginning, he had murdered his brother. His characteristics were different. So this very reason, they all on one side and we are ordered not to mix with them. But they were not satisfied with the answer. Some of these people decided that let's just have a peep at what's happening on the other side. So they came down from the mountain and see from the distance. It pulled them when they saw everybody's partying. This was the first time when Satan told them this. When they came back, they told to the other youngsters about this. Some after, they came back with a bigger group. They go quietly to other side and continued things. This is how musical instrument and the music created. Dear children, this is how he used his own sounds to control man. He engaged man to do activities to commit sins and astray from the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Dear children, remember, not everything that glitter is good for us, because if we go in that direction, we may could falling straight into the trap of Satan.